Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello MBA aspirants. It's time to check your preparation level for the upcoming Feb MAT exam. FIREBIRD Institute of Research and Management is conducting a national level mock test from Jan 26th to Jan 31st. The students who wish to check their preparation level can take the test now. At the end of the test, you will receive your scorecard. With that, you can analyze your strengths and weakness. Work on the part you are weak before taking the test. Don't forget to attend this test. The link for the test is provided in the description box. The last date to submit your test is on Jan 31st. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.